the sky to the southeast Earth. Already, flight check, and there's information for MiG-17. Let me tell you how this Soviet aircraft helped to save lives. Our U.S. warfighter is currently and is ready to get a closer look and get up. Ladies and gentlemen, we're on the right. North America's premier jet aviation demonstration pilot, Randy F. Ball. Randy currently performs jet airbags and warriors living North America's only other civilian jet pilot. 2025 Montana Insurance Agency. 44 years aircraft in fact, Randy is the only jet pilot, military or civilian, to be granted day or night unlimited aerobatic rating in jet fighters by EAA Airventure. MiG-17 was given the in-start best fighters from all across the Navy and the Air Force. All of our fighter crews at the top of the line lost their first engagement with the Navy. In fact, until the F-16 was deployed in the early 80s, late 70s, the MiG-17 remained the tightest turning aircraft on the planet. Randy now will be approaching from the right. He will be down low after further on, ladies and gentlemen. We expect him to demonstrate that tight turning range for you, right here, show 7. Now, main famous during the Vietnam War, the MiG-17F was the primary enemy aircraft engaged in the skies over Vietnam by our A-4 Skyhawks, A-7 Corsairs, F-8 Crusaders, F-100 Super Sabres, F-105 Thunderbolts, the B-52, and its primary nemesis, the F-4 Phantom II. Ladies and gentlemen, on the deck to the right, Randy Ball. Production started in the 1950s. The BK-1 engine made it one of the very first aircraft with the afterburner. Now it can carry bombs, rockets, or extra fuel tanks under its wing, and its lower nose can carry some of the largest guns ever used in air-to-air combat. Randy's MiG-17 spent almost 4 years of restoration and is one of only a handful of vintage jets flying the North American Air Show circuit. It has an authentic paint job and is the only available for ground display with fully restored guns. Ladies and gentlemen, against the beautiful Wisconsin twilight sky, from the left, Randy Ball. airframe that Randy is flying entered service with the Soviet bloc in March of 1960 and wasn't withdrawn from service until May of 1990. Randy would like to thank his sponsor, Figure Aviation Fire Gaming School, the Paul Ranch 1873, Red Star Aero Services of Mobile, Alabama, 45 North Aviation, Marathon North Aerospace, Aviation Insurance Agency by Duncan, Yesterday Aviation Products, Historic Aviation Memorial Center, Tyler Pounds Airport, Tyler, Texas, Air Wisconsin, Gentex Corporation, and AMD Fast Track, FAA Command Preparation. Once we learned the tactics and the capabilities of this aircraft, we had a challenge, how to get it out to the fleet, how to get it into the regular Air Force. The Navy attacked that challenge by developing the Navy fighter weapons. We all know this Top Gun. So yes, this airplane, the MiG-17F, helped bring our warfighters home from the Vietnam War. Ladies and gentlemen, Randy W. Ball, proud to display it for you here tonight in the twilight of Oshkosh 2025. From the right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Randy Ball on the high-speed pass. Point 90 still accelerating. Ladies and gentlemen, he hit point 92. 92% of the speed is down right there. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Let's get it up to Randy Ball. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoyed this performance. From Fighter Jets Incorporated and Mr. Randy W. Ball presenting you the MiG-17F. Randy W. Ball, North America's premier air demonstration pilot. It's been our honor to be here with you this year at Oshkosh 2025 and your pledge into the aircraft that helped develop.
He's coming top right around this corner.
The Top Gun movies we've seen, the Top Gun process to help bring our warfighters home. One more time, from the left, Randy Ball.